From marketing videos and product photography to podcasts and fully fledged films, the right post-production software can help you turn your raw files into professional standards final edits. If you're in the lookout for a new software, then look no further. Hi guys, I'm Peter from Filestage, and in this video I'll break down the best post-production software for every situation, whether it's for film, video or audio. Number 1. Filestage, the best for version management and feedback. Before your content goes live, chances are it needs to be signed off by a lot of different stakeholders. Gathering feedbacks from colleagues and clients can be painful. Transfer links times out, deadlines get missed, opinions conflict. All in all, it's pretty frustrating. And that's where Filestage comes for rescue. Filestage is a review and approval platform that makes it easy to gather information from all your stakeholders in one place. There's nothing worse than spending days chasing people for feedback, only for them to then comment on an old version of a file that already has been updated. Okay, maybe there's one thing worse: a stakeholder contradicting feedback they had previously given. The platform sends automated notifications about new versions and comments. Versions are organized automatically so everyone knows which one is the latest. You can go back and check previous versions and comments. You can compare two versions of the same file side by side. Another really cool feature on Filestage is that you can save hours writing out time codes. When you upload a video or audio to Filestage, reviewers can click anywhere to add feedback right on top of your content. This automatically creates a timestamp in the comments so you know exactly where they're referring to. They can even draw annotations and upload attachments as a part of the video review process to help explain what they mean. iMovie, best video editing software for beginners. If you are new to the world of video editing, then iMovie is the right place to start. It's super easy to use and it's ideal for creating short videos in next to no time. Simply choose your clips, add titles, music and effects. Better yet, it's free. It comes as a part of Mac OS, so bear in mind that it's only for Apple users. A big perk of iMovie is that the files are safe in the Apple cloud. That means while working, you can easily switch between your iPhone, your iPad or your MacBook. Here are some features that we really like. Support for 4K resolution so you can create cinema quality films. User-friendly interface. 13 creative video filters to choose from. Pre-prepared titles, transitions and overlays. Built-in music, sound effects and voice-over recording. If you're a professional, then Adobe Premiere Pro is the right software for you. This software is used by the creme de la creme of video editors. It will unleash your creativity and bring your edits up to the highest heights. Here are just a few of its capabilities. Auto color correction. Automatically adjusts exposure, white balance and contrast. Interpret footage. Adapt footage to a matching frame rate without losing quality. Comparison view. See the before and after side by side or match the color on different shots. Multiple camera sequence. Sync up multiple video and audio sources into a single sequence to make it easier to edit footage together. Premiere Pro is part of Adobe's Creative Cloud, so if you have a full all-apps subscription, you already have access to it. You might just have to download it to your computer. Continuing with Adobe, Adobe Audition is the best for audio editing. If you are looking for an audio post-production software to fine-tune your videos, podcasts and sound effects, then Adobe Audition is without a doubt the best tool for this job. It's used by professionals in radio, television and the movie industries. Whatever your project is, this guarantees a polished mix with immaculate sound. Here are a few of our favorite features. Mix and master like a pro. Streamline your audio editing with Adobe Sensei. Craft layered compositions with multi-track editor. Adjust the audio amplitude with the waveform editor. Remove background noise with the spectral frequency display. Add free sound effects to enhance your recordings. On top of that, since it is part of the Adobe Creative Cloud, you can integrate it with other Adobe apps for a seamless workflow. For editing on the go, you should check CyberLink PowerDirector. It is the most advanced video post-production software for mobile. Whether you are creating cinematic style movies or clips for social media, this is an intuitive app with powerful features. You get all the usual tools like trimming, editing and exporting, but then there's so much more. 4K resolution, speed adjustment, video stabilizer, animated titles, voice changer, chroma key for green screen editing, video overlays, blending mode. And that's a wrap. We would like to hear about your favorite post-production software, so leave your recommendations down in the comment section, please. Thanks for tuning in and hope to see you in the next one. Bye.